She said the survey and it's like
18 inches from this fence to mine.
That's why the survey told him.
I've never said we're going to build a fence ever in my lifetime. This has been here.
Not you, not hers. Yours.
This has been 12 years since.
Yeah.
What the fuck am I doing? We can't stand her.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. Look at her fucking front yard. 12 years of this shit.
Yeah.
Anyway, we like you though.
Sorry.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
She's eating this stuff too much. Oh. She's so fucked up in the head.
The table itself. Oh, over here, I see. Okay.
Yeah, it's the pedestal is dead center. I mean, if it was like 4 inches or 5 inches or whatever, I marked where it is. If it was just a few inches over
on our property,
or somewhere else,
on our property,
somewhere else,
on our property,
it's on your property right now.
Right. We have 1.5 feet of this is ours.
Yes, I know.
Right.
This is the AT&T.
Right, we know.
My business is with him. Okay?
I don't care. You've already vandalized enough of my property.
Okay, guys, right now, let's not do this right now.
Property.
Let's not do this right now.
I mean, listen to me.
Well, so, yeah, you can't reason with crazy. You see how you can't reason with crazy. To go where the stake is.
Okay.
So.
Where's the stake at again?
Is it gonna turn a corner here?
It's where you pulled out the corner.
I'll show you where it goes. And I can say whatever I want, it's free speech, so. And this stuff here...
Gina, don't make me have to call somebody.
I already have a harassment file on you, okay? You already
well, that's great, that's right.
All this is not true and none of that stuff. That's why you got vandalized. Not from us. We're 81 and 58. We don't vandalize people's property.
Okay, well, let me finish my project.
By the way, we were going to put up a fence. We were going to put up a fence right here. We put it here.
Okay,
for you. We were polite. You know what your fence is on? Our side. Have I ever asked you to take it down? No, never. Your posts are on my property.
No, that was built in 1984.
Not the wall, your fence.
The fence was already there.
You built it.
No, I didn't.
So it stopped right
my
there.
Property.
No, it's right here.
You've had it for 12 years.
You've
been harassing all the neighbors for 2 years now.
This way, and then it's going to turn and go that way. From over here, right?
She took that from my fence side. Sorry, that's why I can't come out here.
Well, I tell you what might be easier is...
But that's just that I marked it, okay, that wherever that stake is, plumb with that, and it's roughly kind of in there, but really the true thing is from there to there.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you have a fencing contractor?
Yeah, he's going to be out here. He's supposed to be out here.
May I have his number?
Okay.
I'll take that, and I'll work with the fencing contractor, and between he and I.
Because you can't work with your neighbors. So.
Yeah, it'll be easier if I know exactly what his plans are, and he and I can work with it.
Oh God, I can't deal with it.
That's all right. That's fine. She's gone.
Okay, so the pin at the corner. I knew she was going to come out and interfere. I was like, please make her be gone when you got here.
Well, if I could just have the fencing contractor's number, I'll meet with him and the surveyor, whoever we need to meet with to come up with a plan.
Yeah. Then I'll just put the fence right there. There we go. Straight line, right past that. Put the fence right there. That'll work actually. And then put another one there. It's all legal.
There's some staggering.
She called you again, huh?
Yes.
That's a good idea actually. How are you?
You talking to me? Oh, you got something there? Or?
Yeah, we're going to set a spike here.
Oh, I didn't get them yet.
Thank you for putting that up. She keeps taking it down and marking stuff. Thank you.
Yeah, so we'll get this.
I appreciate that. She's been trespassing and vandalizing our property for the last 2 years.
All right, we'll get this straightened out.
I appreciate you doing that.
Yeah. So all this will have to be...
You know, it's about time by 4 times of you guys coming out, she's finally out here to witness something.
Yeah.
You know, and answering her door.
Yeah.
Every time you guys are here, she's not... She's using everybody's time up for no reason. It's a shame. She did this to the other property next door. Flooded it, vandalized it. Finally, our neighbor had to buy it. She had to claim it was hers and it was. You're done. And I already okayed it with the county. Where I can run it right down my line right here.
Right.
I am the county. Did you have a question?
I don't need to talk to you because you just did yes.
Yes.
Wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, you continue to go with your mission. I'm nothing to say to you at all.
Okay.
Protecting my property. Now, with the crackpot, I hope you put that in your notes. My opinion, my free speech. Oh, by the way,
Your spike?
there's going to be a harassment order on her.
I thought we were doing
My
it
name is her
backwards.
front harassment order on her.
I thought we were doing
My
it
name is her
backwards.
front yard. You know that's illegal for no reason.
First part.
You know what?
So just so you know, this is the, well, let me show you on the map here.
She has no ground to stand on at all. She's just full of
So we got this radius right here with the county right away.
Right.
That's the intersection of her side property line to the county right away. And then the so just so you know, this is the let me show you. So this cul-de-sac is kind of curving this way, and then right when it hits this point, it starts curving the other way. And so now it's curving, and then we've got that point right there. That point is this point right there. So a little bit of a curve right here. So the county right-of-way is basically everything from that stake and this one towards the street. So I know some people out here, they put their fences and landscaping out there. I don't know what the county's policy is on that.
Yeah, I told them I already talked to PG&E. They said everything's.
Well, it's kind of like an easement, you know. They can
Well, but
put
they-
landscape and that, although it can be ripped out at any time.
Property between. I'm not kidding. I want to go to the sheriff and the county, okay? She's not the only one that's going to be fighting me.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong to her, and you know it. We dealt with her for 10 years. The last 2, she's been a horrible being, and you know.
This is coming out 22 feet out here.
Okay.
About where that is.
That fence line back to your, toward the house is going to go right through where the pedestal is.
Right.
Okay.
Where they, with pedestal. Oh, your pedestal.
Yeah, my pedestal. So the cable television, they're okay where they're at.
Backside where you don't have to take a cover off or whatever.
Go potty. Come on. She'll get out. Come on. Cooper! Cooper! She'll get out. Come on. Cooper! Cooper! What is that? Okay. Can't wait to show you my pictures too. When you walk through here, are you going to be able to walk through here okay?
I told you I was gonna fall. It's very slippy here, so be careful. I don't know if you should probably come over here. Okay. Be careful. Yeah. Okay, just hold on to that. Just hold on to that. Don't come any further. Just hold that like that for me. Fence is on our side. All the way down the hedge, all the way to the back corner of the property. All that's going to be taken out. Once we have our pictures sent to them, it's all legit. Okay, let me see if you see how far. You can lean that stake against our fence. And then just hold, just so all you have to do is concentrate on the, excuse me, the green fence. Okay, let's take that. Okay, take it to the very end. Thank you, dear. Got it? Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. That'll work. And then I'll do the rest. Okay, hold on. I know it's cheesy, but you know what? If the cat wants to go around, it's got to go around, and not under my fence. She acts like this can't be done. It's like our property. It's been validated. Go suck on your toes, lady. I think I have the hammer. So I am. Documented T through the county when it comes to her stuff trespassing on our property. All that'll happen. I like it. It could be actually, I could literally put it in front of that, but nothing bitch about it, right? I love it. Okay, now I'll get the other one. You just go down there now, okay? I hope I have enough info. Now, you go on with this. I'm going to go this way. Yeah, this here, I can do another 4 inches. This is good right here. Yeah. Straight lines are easy to come by if you use a ruler. I think it's coming. Both of them. Yeah. Let's go and find out if we can start with the change. The wall, the fence, and the posts. We had to change a heart. The neighbors over one way. Coming down. She's still at it. Look at her. That wall, that fence, and those posts are coming down. Woohoo! We got authority and we got the law on our hands. 3 deputies. Watch this. Ready?
No.
Okay, you want to see something? 3 of them. You don't take somebody's tree. Nobody cares to read your signs. I've never read a sign in my life.
Scary. I know, with a whisper too.
The funny thing is this is all been on our property
and we've never cared about it. We made our fence this far away, so if there was any emergency, there was plenty of room. Now our neighbor gets involved. This is why you're here. She wants to build a fence, and she's overlying on our fence on the wall all the way to the backyard. So she wants to move it. So that's why you're here. So just be careful of her. That's all. Yeah. I know that there's a lot of, when we get the rain, all this gets kind of yucky, but we don't even have, is that AT&T?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we don't even have AT&T anymore. So yeah, it would be great if it was out of the ground, but if it can't be done, it doesn't bother us.
I was only pick and choose your battles, you know.
Let her
spend the money.
Oh my gosh.
She's just trying to keep up with your nice fence. You know?
Well, you know what? It's ugly to me, but that's all we can
Really?
do.
I like the outside. The tan right here, I thought it was really pretty.
Oh,
yeah,
good.
just light and new. Look new. Like this is old, obviously.
Putting
And
cameras on us.
this one right here on top of the water buffalo.
Disgusting. Anyway, so I'm Gina. If you have any questions,
No worries,
you gotta
Gina.
ask
Nice
us.
to meet you. Jonathan,
We're
Cody.
good.
Yeah. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah, no
I didn't
worries.
mean to scare you.
No, you're totally
no.
good. I think you made me ready back to work again. I'll fall asleep.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you.
I know we're talking about like electricity and ground
I know,
wires, so
I know,
just
I know.
like focused.
Perfect right there. I'll straighten it up later. Just nail that line in. We're never going to take it out. This will go on here. Up from that. That. It smells good. That's right on the line. Thank you very much. Here. It's got to be connected to that. Here. Bring it closer. She keeps backing it up, and it's not true. That one's right on it. Yeah, I'm going to do the bottom better, though. Yeah. It's going to be, keep it. Yeah. Gotta get a higher stick.
I'm gonna have to restate for that. Yeah. Here. Yeah. Plumbing issues. Loving my cameras. Right on you. Smile. She goes, that's perfect. Oh, this is lovely. I love it. This is beautiful, yeah. Yeah, they put up a, this is really nice. I'm really happy that, yeah, they put a post up. It's great. This is great.
They put a post in?
Yeah, 4x4. I'm happy about that, though. This is great. I know.
Did you ever file a harassment?
I have to go back down again tomorrow. I was telling Ann that they closed at noon. I'm in her front yard right now, my front yard, Ann. So, let's see something. Yeah, when you run a straight line, the straight line is the wall. She goes diagonal like a fucking lunatic. Okay, so that's really good news. The what? Oh, that's okay. Let's see if that's straight. Nope, it's not. That's coming down, you know. Yeah. We don't care about you putting up a fence. It's like you trying to inch on my property. Thank you. The best part about it is that's not a straight line. You see that to that? She doesn't even know how to draw a line. Who even has AT&T anymore? I don't know. I don't know why neighbors can't just mind their own business. Yeah. Mind your own business. Be a good human being. She doesn't have that in her nature, though. Her nature is different. That isn't it. Yeah. Oh, I got caught on the string. Sorry. If you don't remember where your line is at, then you're just as dumb as the fucking monkey next to you. I got caught on the fence. Take a picture of you, stupid lady. Thank you. Yeah. It's all coming down. Best part about that, it's all coming down. So is the wall and the fence. Yeah, nobody cares about the post and the string. She's just delusional. Who cares about that shit? Just don't come on outside. That's all I care about. I don't care if you